Cloves are aromatic flower buds from the clove tree, scientifically known as Syzygium aromaticum. They are commonly used as a spice in cooking and have a variety of medicinal properties. In this video, you are going to learn about 6 proven health benefits of cloves. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is the body's response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to various diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Cloves contain Eugenol, which is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Eugenol works by inhibiting the activity of enzymes like cyclooxygenases that are involved in the synthesis of pro-inflammatory mediators such as prostaglandins. This reduces inflammation and provides relief from pain and swelling associated with inflammatory conditions. Number 2. Antioxidant activity. Oxidative stress is caused by an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to cellular damage and contributing to aging and various diseases. Cloves are packed with antioxidants, particularly phenolic compounds like eugenol, flavonoids, and gallic acid. These antioxidants scavenge free radicals, preventing them from causing oxidative damage to cells and tissues. By reducing oxidative stress, cloves help protect against chronic diseases such as cardiovascular diseases, neurodegenerative disorders, and certain types of cancers. Number 3. Antimicrobial effects. Cloves possess strong antimicrobial properties due to their essential oils, especially eugenol. These compounds can disrupt the cell membranes of bacteria, fungi, and viruses, leading to cell lysis and death. Studies have shown that clove extracts can inhibit the growth of various pathogenic microorganisms, including Escherichia coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and Candida albicans. This makes cloves effective in treating and preventing infections, making them useful in oral health and food preservation. Number 4. Digestive health. Cloves can improve digestive health by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, which are essential for the breakdown and absorption of nutrients. The carminative properties of cloves help reduce gas formation and alleviate bloating, cramping, and discomfort in the digestive tract. Cloves can also enhance the motility of the gastrointestinal tract, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Additionally, they have been traditionally used to treat conditions like dyspepsia and gastric irritation. Number 5. Pain relief. Cloves have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for pain relief. The eugenol in cloves acts on pain receptors, providing an analgesic effect. It inhibits the transmission of pain signals to the brain by blocking the action of certain neurotransmitters involved in pain perception. This makes cloves particularly effective for dental pain, such as toothaches, where clove oil can be applied directly to the affected area. Additionally, cloves can help relieve headaches, muscle pain, and joint pain. Number 6. Blood sugar regulation. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for managing diabetes and preventing complications associated with high blood sugar. Cloves contain compounds like nigericin that can improve insulin sensitivity, enhancing the ability of cells to utilize glucose. This helps lower blood sugar levels and prevent spikes after meals. Studies have shown that cloves can improve glucose metabolism, reduce insulin resistance, and increase insulin secretion, making them beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Incorporating cloves into your diet, whether in whole form, as a spice, or as clove oil, can provide these physiological benefits and contribute to overall health. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.